Pro Tools, or any DAW, is a key part of any audio production system, but it's not the only part. Many different components work together to make a complete audio production system. So let's take a look at some of the key components of a Pro Tools system. Your computer is the cornerstone of your Pro Tools system. Pro Tools software can run on Windows or Mac, on a desktop computer, or a laptop. But it's important to have the right kind of power to make the most out of it. Pro Tools systems can operate in one of two ways: native, where the host computer is responsible for all processing tasks, or with a DSP or digital signal processor, where specific hardware has been added to offload much of these tasks, simultaneously increasing capacity and improving performance. Some versions of Pro Tools operate natively, meaning that the computer's central processing unit, or CPU, will do everything from mixing to real-time effects processing and more. Other versions can operate as either a native or DSP system, depending upon the system's setup. Now, in addition to CPU power, your computer's random access memory, or RAM, plays an important role in how your Pro Tools system will perform. RAM serves as a short-term memory for your CPU, and here again, more is generally better. DAWs also rely on hard drives to store their audio. Two key factors when choosing a hard drive for Pro Tools are size and speed. A larger capacity hard drive enables you to store more minutes of audio data, higher resolution audio, or both. Now, beginners might be tempted to use their computer's internal system drive for all their audio tasks. While this can work for smaller jobs, at a certain point your system drive won't be able to do all its normal system work and meet the demands of Pro Tools. For that reason, it's highly recommended to use a separate hard drive dedicated to audio data storage when using Pro Tools. Another important component of a Pro Tools system is an audio interface. Your computer probably has a built-in microphone and speakers, but these won't be good enough for any kind of serious work. To get high-quality audio in and out of your computer, you need to use an audio interface. Audio interfaces can connect to your computer in different ways, such as USB and Thunderbolt. As a rule, the faster the connection between the interface and the computer, the more channels of input and output, or the higher quality audio you will be able to play and record. The number of inputs that your interface has is important, and your needs will determine what you should use. If you're working by yourself and only recording one instrument at a time, a single stereo input might be just fine. If you want to record multiple musicians at the same time, however, you'll need more channels of input. In order to hear Pro Tools and do your audio production work, you'll need speakers, specifically studio monitor speakers. Monitor speakers are different than normal consumer-level speakers. Headphones can be useful tools, but they can't completely replace your monitor speakers. However, headphones can be an important tool for audio production. Just as with studio monitor speakers, there are headphones that are specifically designed for mixing. These components, along with the Pro Tools software, work together to form your audio production system.